Meron tayong mga hardware set, no? Madami to. So we got Gucci. Yan. We have Gucci. Binibenta ko na lang siya ng $35. Sale ko na siya ng $35. Binibenta ko tong $50 dati. Ayan, $35. Father's Day sale. Go grab it na. Meron na siyang bracelet, earrings, at ring. Siyempre, may necklace. So that's the Gucci. And we have the LV. The LV. Yung earrings ng LV ay nilagay na nila dyan. Para hindi siguro mawala. Which is smart thing to do. Ayan ang kanyang earrings. Ayan, si LV. Meron siyang bracelet and andito rin ang ring. Ayan. Sa gusto, it's only for $35. This is a fashion jewelry non-tarnish. Ayan. So this is what is Cartier? I think this is Cartier. Or sa Bisaya, Cartier. There, but it's Cartier. Look at that one. And it comes with the bracelet, the earrings, and the ring. Okay. We have, what's this, heart? The heart shop. We got bracelet, ring, and earrings. Ang earrings na isa, andito nakalagay sa ano, nakabitay. Ayan. So that's the heart. So we have Chanel. Chanel. Ayan. The Chanel. We get the same. We get the necklace, the bracelet, the earrings, and the ring. And then we have this set. Oh, that's not included. This one. I have this set. I could sell it for only $25. The VCA Van Cleef white. Ano lang siya, but you see that? Yun, ngayon ko lang siya nalaman ang VCA pala ay Van and Cleef. Van Cleef and Arpels. Van Cleef and Arpels. So meron tayong white. And we have red. This is only for $25. I was gonna sell it for $35, but now it's on sale for $25. Alright, don't mind my accent or my I'm not the English speaking. Charat! What's in here? Oh, so this one is the black and white. So my black and white siya, ganyan. May pa black and white. Mix siya ng black and white. Okay. It's got earrings. And it should have a bracelet. Ayan. And what else do we have? I think that's all I can. Then we'll do the next video again because it is getting long now.